Douglas systems have been designed to prioritize both sustainability and efficiency, providing customers with an innovative system that not only delivers exceptional cleaning performance, but also saves water while reducing labor and chemical costs. The SD Pan Washer series boasts a convenient split-door design, with one half of the door lifting upwards while the other half folds down to create a convenient drain table. Machines come complete with wash rack inserts that are either standard or custom designed to hold your specific items. Regardless of the specific model, each Douglas pan washer is built with an easily accessible recirculating detergent wash tank and a separate freshwater sanitizing rinse tank. Employing this dual-tank system considerably conserves water by reducing and refreshing the water, which in turn leads to reduced water consumption and a smaller water footprint. Machines can be outfitted with electric, gas, or steam booster heaters to achieve and sustain optimal rinse and wash temperatures, guaranteeing thorough sanitization. On rotating spray arms, stainless steel V-jets deliver high-velocity water pressure to penetrate and eliminate persistent grime and soils. Operators have the flexibility to select from short, medium, or long wash cycle durations, 4, 6, or 8 minutes, tailored to the specific soil conditions. Following each wash cycle, a powerful hot water sanitizing rinse ensures thorough cleaning and sanitizing of the product. The rinse water is then directed back to the wash tank for reuse. An optimal steam extraction fan can be installed to evacuate steam before the door is opened, enhancing energy efficiency and user safety. Easy-to-remove filter baskets catch debris and prevent nozzle clogging, simplifying maintenance and reducing downtime. With a focus on sustainability and efficiency, Douglas Machines pan washers offer significant water and labor savings while delivering outstanding cleaning results. Please consult with your sales engineer to determine the model best suited for your application and to discuss a variety of options.